such an endearing throwback. We've got some special messages right there. Grabe, more than a decade of experience, Belle, and so much more to go. So, Belle, how do you feel after seeing your journey? At yung nga narinig mo yung mga mensahe ng mga taong nakasuporta sa'yo?
First, nakaka-proud po at hindi ako umiyak. Opo, gusto ko lang acknowledge yun, syempre. Pero of course, nakakataba po ng puso. And I just like to thank each and every one of you who champions me. Maraming salamat po to our ABS-CBN bosses here. Tita Edith, LMD, Sir Mark, CLK, CVV, Sir Rick. Thank you so much for making ABS-CBN a home for me. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. And to everyone that's been very supportive of my journey, maraming salamat po. I dedicate all those years to you guys.
Belle, may nakita tayong mga nagbigay sa'yo ng special
Kaya
messages. Meron ka bang gusto mong salamatan? Oo.
Nagulat ako kasi the other day kasama ko lang sina Direk Cathy, sina Papa P. Thank you so much. Hindi ko akalain na may ganun palang nangyayari behind the camera. Direk May, to my sister Alexa, of course to Donnie. Thank you so much for those kind words, those sweet messages. It really means a lot.
And si Mami Kat na nandito ngayon. Well, thank you very much for that. And we're so excited for the very bright future ahead of Belle Mariano. Kaya naman, simulan na natin ang contract signing! And while they're sealing the deal, let me give you a little bit of a background of Belle. From playing the younger counterparts of established actresses to becoming a radiant leading lady, Belle has evolved into one of the country's brightest young stars. TV, films, music, endorsements, and anuman ang susunod for Belle, we are looking forward to the new projects and partnerships that will let us bask in her glow as the new gen phenomenal actress. And there you have it, our kapamilya forever, Belle Mariano. And now that we have sealed the deal, let's hear from Belle. Belle, we know that you always work with the purpose of inspiring the younger generation of dreamers. So ano bang mensahe mo para sa iyong mga fans at lalo na sa mga kabataan ngayon who want to shine and succeed in their industry just like you?
Oh, wow. Maybe the message and the message that I want to tell everyone out there is it's not going to be an easy journey. There will be times that you fall and you fail. Eto na, naiyak na ako. But just believe in yourself because throughout the 14 years, I would say that it wasn't really easy for me, but nakakataba ng puso kasi I was surrounded with amazing people, and I'm just so grateful for them, of course. Naiyak ako. To our ABS-CBN bosses, thank you so much. I've been waiting for this opportunity. So thank you so much. To my mom, thank you. Sabi ko, ayoko sabihin si mama kasi may iyak ako pag si mama yung sinabihan ko. Thank you, Mom. You made me a stronger person. Thank you so much. To my team, Tita Edith, Ate Yani, maraming salamat. Of course, to my glam team. You guys are like my second family and my second home. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for all the belief and the trust. Even if those times nawalan ako ng belief sa sarili ko, you reminded me. And of course, lastly, to my supporters, maraming salamat. Because you guys are really the inspiration why I do this. You are the reason why I do this. I just want to say that don't let your fear stop you from pursuing what you love doing. Because yes, you will fall, but then you will also rise and just keep believing and have that heart and have that faith in you. Because you will achieve great things and you are capable of so many things. Ayun po.
Wow, so inspiring. No wonder you are the new gen phenomenal actress that you are today. With her brilliant presence and beauty, marami na talagang nagmamahal kay Belle. Her family, her fans, the management, and everyone who works with her. At syempre, kasama na dyan ang top brands and companies na may espesyal na mensahe para sa kanya. Belle, please watch this. The new gen phenomenal beauty trusted by top brands in the country. Belle Mariano is here to shine bigger and brighter.
Hi, Belle. On behalf of everyone in Unilever, I would like to congratulate you on this amazing career milestone. We've shared countless memories working on Ponds, Sunsilk, and Close Up, and we look forward to creating more as you move forward and soar higher in your career. Know always that Unilever will be with you every step of the way. Congratulations again, Belle, and more power to you.
Hi, Belle. I have 2 reasons to congratulate you today. First, congratulations on your successful career. I still remember watching a few episodes of He's Into Her, and from then on, I knew that you were the perfect choice to be our next generation Sunsilk girl. And we were right. And despite of all your success in this industry, you remain humble, lovable, and such a joy to work with. Second, congratulations on your contract signing with Star Magic. I'm so excited to see your upcoming projects with the Kapamilya Network. Rest assured that we are always behind you. And on behalf of Sunsilk, Ponds, Close Up, Jollibee, and your WPP family, we wish you even more success and blessings in the years ahead. More power, Belle, and I love you. Thank you.
Aw, thank you for the sweet messages from Belle's brand partners. Now, before we continue, we'd like to take this moment to thank the brands that made this milestone more memorable for Belle. Thank you to the following. Ponds. From Ponds Skin Institute, new Ponds Ultralight Biome Gel, made with millions of prebiotics to help balance your skin biome, your skin barrier's barrier, for stronger, plumper, radiant skin. Thank you as well to Sunsilk. Unleash your main hair kada energy with hashtag Gandang Sunsilk. Smooth and fragrant hair. Thank you, Close Up. Get closer like Belle and Donnie when you choose Close Up with antibacterial zinc. Choose fresh, choose Close Up. Thank you as well to PH Care. PH Care is the #1 feminine wash in the Philippines. PH Care, care for every Filipina. And thank you, Dunkin'. There's nothing like Dunkin' pasalubong ng bayan. At maraming salamat din po to the brand partners for taking time to be here today para kay Belle. Yes, they are physically present. Hello to the bosses of WPP Media. Richard, Tito Rich Monte Alegre. Hello po, Tito Rich. Thank you very much. Fatima Faith Loyola, thank you very much po for being here. And Claudette Secara Santos. Maraming salamat po for the support. And we would also like to thank the marketing team of Dunkin' for joining us. Hello, Dunkin' fam. Alright, ngayon naman, let's hear from Belle. Belle, anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga brands na sumusuporta sa'yo?
Grabe. Thank you so much. Grabe, Tito Rich. Thank you so much for that message, of course. Actually, Sunsilk and Ponds, sila talaga yung unang brand na lumapit sa akin after He's Into Her. So maraming salamat po for the trust. Of course, to my Close Up family, to my PH Care family, to my Dunkin' family, to everyone to my endorsements, maraming salamat po. I would say that I'm not just an endorser. I really am a firm believer of the brand. That's why I endorse it. And I'm a user of the brand. So maraming salamat po for putting trust and having faith in me po.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
Full of gratitude. At syempre, bukod sa mga brand partners natin, talagang nakasuporta sa'yo ang buong Kapamilya Network. And so, let's take some photos with our dear ABS-CBN bosses. We have to take some photos with Belle to remember this special milestone. Mga Kapamilya, thank you very much for tuning in to our live stream. Please do keep on sharing our live stream and keep on posting with our official hashtag Kapamilya Forever Belle. Maraming salamat po and congratulations once again to our Forever Kapamilya Belle Mariano. Thank you to our ABS-CBN bosses. Salamat din po kay Miss Edith Farinas of Star Magic. Also, my handler from Star Magic. And now we are seeing Belle pose with our dear ABS-CBN bosses. Nakita naman natin talagang todo ang suporta kay Belle from the very start. We saw her endearing throwback videos of her roles as a child, and now she truly has blossomed into the shining and blooming Belle Mariano, the new gen phenomenal actress that we know today. At bago tayo magpaalam at magpunta sa Belle sa MediaCon with our friends from the press, may mga gusto pa po kaming pasalamatan. Thank you as always to Miss Charisse Tino and Nice Print Photo. At maraming salamat to MC Pascual Curated Events for the beautiful styling of our venue for Belle today. At maraming salamat din po sa lahat ng nanonood sa live stream natin. Mga kapamilya, you are always part of the success of our artists. Kaya maraming salamat po. Ako po si Ayi de la Cruz. Thank you very much for joining us dito lang sa Kapamilya Forever Born to Shine, the network contract signing of Belle Mariano. Pero sigurado akong nabitin ang lahat at gusto pa nating pahabain ang usapan with Belle. So do not go away mga kapamilya. The media conference is coming right up with Belle Mariano and MJ Felipe. Keep on sharing our live streams from the official YouTube and Facebook accounts of Star Magic and ABS-CBN Entertainment. And please do keep on using our official hashtag, Kapamilya Forever Belle. And again, we'd like to acknowledge all of your efforts dahil trending na po tayo #1 nationwide even before we started. So thank you very much to all of the supporters of Belle Mariano. And right now, they are just taking photos. Belle with our dear brand partners na talagang physically present ngayon. Kitang-kita kung gaano nila kamahal ang ating one and only Belle Mariano. They really took the time out of their busy schedules to be here today. Once again, for those who just tuned in, please do not go away dahil hindi pa po dito nagtatapos ang ating beautiful afternoon because right after this contract signing, meron pa pong media conference si Belle Mariano together with MJ Felipe in just a few moments. Do not leave our live stream. Please do keep on sharing the link para mas marami pa po ang makanood nitong ating very special day, this very special milestone of Belle Mariano. Right now, we're seeing Belle with her one and only mother, Mommy Cat. And of course, ang ating tatay, Derek Lauren, and Ate Edith Farinas, Belle's manager from Star Magic. There you go, one happy family with our forever kapamilya, Belle Mariano. All right, now we are just waiting for Belle to proceed to our press conference or media conference studio kung saan makakasama niya po si MJ Felipe. Live na live, mapapanood niyo rin po ang media conference kung saan marami pa tayong malalaman, marami pa tayong matatanong kay Belle. And of course, malalaman natin ano ba ang kanyang upcoming projects now that she has signed once again as a kapamilya. There you go. Grabe, no? Yung videos kanina nakita natin. Talagang from going bulilit, mula sa kanya mga roles as a young Carmina Villaruel, at ngayon, siya na ang lead star sa kanyang mga projects. We're so excited for Belle to be on screen once again. We're so excited for her next projects. Marami po tayong malalaman sa media conference in just a bit. Once again, that will be with MJ Felipe. So to all of our kapamilyas, please do not leave the live stream. we will be continuing on our afternoon, our beautiful afternoon, with Belle Mariano.